Hey everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today I'm going to release a couple of videos on my YouTube channel, and these videos is the part of this series that is Coded Agent from Beginners to Pro series. And this video, which I'm going to record now, will cover all the prerequisites needed in order to start your automation, not just automation, that is the coded automation journey. And there I will try to cover each and every prerequisites the application needed in order to start your journey. First, we will check like whether the VS Code or the Python is installed on your machine. In this video, I will try to cover two different methods in order to start these applications. First, if you are the Windows user, then you can come to this Windows store, or that is Microsoft Store. There all these trusted applications available to install. Just type your application name, VS Code, and there you will find the applications here. As it is already installed on a machine, I can see it is installed. If for you, you can get the install button, you can hit the button, you and it will automatically install on your machine. The second application, you all are aware about the Python, and you can choose the right version of Python from here itself, and you can install it on your machine. Once you install these two through the Windows Microsoft Store, and if you are not the Windows user, there we have another options. You can go to the website, choose your version, install your version on your machines, download and install. This will require, if you are using the enterprise app laptop or your company laptop, this will require the admin privilege in order to install it. And for VS Code, it is, yeah, this is also needed the admin privilege in order to install. Once you are done, you can follow any of the videos. I can share with you this Visual Studio Code, the official YouTube channel. There you can follow this video and set up your VS Code if you are using first time. Setup means like you can set up your environment, set up your themes, fonts, zoom in, zoom out, whatever you want to change in order to start first. Once you are done, then you can search for the VS Code and open the VS Code here. You will see all this home page or landing page. You can see, you can create file, you can set up your environment, you can set the Python. First, you can come here under this extension, you will find the Python is there or not. As I already have installed on machines, you will see the Python is available. If it is not, then you can go and install it from here itself. Once you are done, then you can come to this Explorer. As I haven't selected any folder so far, there we have two options. Like I said, you can open the existing folder what you have, or maybe you can create a folder with the help of terminal. And today I'm just going to use the command prompt instead of this PowerShell. In order to change from PowerShell to command prompt, you can come here under this drop down, select your command prompt, and delete all the PowerShell. So once you are here, the next thing you need to create your folder. As I'm in the root directory of the current user, maybe I can switch to the VS Code, and I can create my first coded agent folder. So you can use the command mkdir, my first UIR coded agent. Then I will call this directory using this command cd as this. You can type cd, just tab, and it will automatically populate your folder. If you have multiple folder, it will populate different folder. So as I have selected, I'm in there my first coded agent folder. Now it's time to create a environment. So there we have two different options to create. Either you can use the Python command or maybe use the conda command. So currently I'm just going to use the Python command in order to create the environment variable. Just pass this command python minus m v env or your environment name, my env. Just hit enter, and you can see here currently I'm using the latest version of the Python, right? So the environment is created. I don't see because I haven't selected the folder any. You can click on this folder, open folder. Under this VS Code, I can select this folder. Once you selected, you will see the new environment is created in your my first coded agent folder. Now open the terminal again, change from PowerShells to command prompt. Okay, then we will activate this environment. So you can see it is created a couple of supporting file here under this my environment folder, and under this script folder you will see the activate file or the PowerShell file. So you have to pass command myenv forward slash scripts activate. Make sure to follow the same naming convention. It should be the caps because we have the folder name with caps scripts, and under this script we have the activate. You need to pass in a small letter. Once you hit, sorry, once you hit, you will notice the environment is activated. I'm currently under this my environment. It means now I can use requirement.txt file in order to install all the packages. Currently we have limited packages, so I'm not just going to use the requirement.txt. So I'm currently under this MyNV. Now the next steps is to check whether pip, the current pip version is the latest one or not. So you need to pass this command python minus m, then pip install upgrade grade pip. Now you can see I'm currently using the latest version of pips, so it means requirement already satisfied. Current version of pip is 25.2. It means I no need to update the pip, right? So currently using the updated version. So now all set. I'm created my first folder, installed the Python, VS Code, created the first folder, and also activated the environment. So in the next video, I will try to cover uh, how you can start your first coded agent with the help of LangChain library. There you also needed, excuse me, some OpenAI's key or Anthropic key or Gemini key in order to leverage any open source model. So stay tuned, and I will upload the next video where I will try to cover your first coded or coded journey. Thank you.